Hi, my name is Kishan, and I would like to welcome you to this demo video. This video is being developed to go over the code and the running instructions to solve this problem. As I am with Group 9, and as part of the group project, we are required to develop a program which is going to solve this problem. This problem is basically related with the hierarchical clustering. To go to the problem, we are given a similarity matrix, and using this matrix, we are supposed to write a code which will perform single and complete link hierarchical clustering. So we have written a code. The code is written in Python, and when we run the code, at the end of the program, we are presented two dendrograms, one for single link clustering and another for complete link clustering. So I'll switch over to the code now. As you can see, this is the code. To implement the code, we are using two external libraries. First is a Skippy library. We are using this library to create the dendrograms and actually to perform the clustering. We are using the matplotlib to actually plot the specific charts. This is the data. This is a, say, if you see, this is a uh, two-dimensional matrix. The data in this matrix is derived from the Word document. So the first row is, as you can see, it is the same data as given in the table in the Word document. These are the labels which will be used to plot the dendrograms. Before I go into the code, let's go to the code. The Z1, uh, this is we are asking Python to cluster the given data set using single hierarchical clustering, or called as minimum approach, where when we are trying to perform clustering, we are using the minimum distances between 2 points. The Z2, it's we are asking Python to perform clustering using the complete link hierarchical clustering or max link hierarchical clustering, where in this clustering, the program is going to pick 2 points which are the furthest away. There are other two clusterings also possible using the same Skippy library, that is centroid, and another is median. Going to the next line. This is where we are defining the chart plot, and we are dividing this chart plot into two subplots. In the first subplot, we are using the single complete link hierarchy, and in the second chart plot, we are using the complete. And in the last line, we are just showing the chart plot that we have defined above. In order to run this code, you'll be needing Visual Studio to run this program, and Python 3 installed on your computer. I'm running this code on a Mac OS, and before we run this code, we need to install Skippy and Matplotlib library to into our system. In order to do that, we can use the following command. This here, we, as you see, we have successfully installed Skippy, and same way we are gonna install Matplotlib. Once both the programs are installed, you can simply go and click on the run Python file. Once the program run completes, you'll get this two chart plots, as we are mentioned when going over through the code. the chart plot is divided into two halves. First half is the single link hierarchical chart, and second is the complete link hierarchical clustering chart. So here are the 5 points in the single link clustering. The program is joining or merging P2 and P5 first. Then with P2 and P5, it is merging P3. And then with P3, P2, and P5, it is merging P4. And with the same ways, it is merging P1. Whereas in complete link hierarchical clustering, P2 and P5 are merged first. With P2 and P5, P3 is merged. And with then uh, P1 and P4 are merged. And then P1 and P4 are merged with P3, P2, and P5. So this is the rundown of the program. The same code through will be also be present in the readme.txt file. Thank you for going over this demo video.